In a heartwarming display of camaraderie and mutual respect, renowned pop star Sarah G has recently expressed her admiration for the P-pop kings, SB19, during a recent interview. Sarah G praised the group's exceptional talent and unwavering passion for their craft.
Top Filipino performer. Appreciate yung kanilang husay, yung kanilang talento, yung natural skills sa pagkanta, pagsayaw, but yung discipline, work ethics nila, yung talagang ano sila gigil talaga sila to give talagang quality performance, very organized, very passionate, umuusok yung kanilang passion na maiangat ang musikang Pilipino, and that's so inspiring para sa akin, and I'm sure sa lahat ng sa buong industriya ng musikang Pilipino. Nakaka-proud, nakaka-inspire, and parang for me, every collaboration is a chance to grow. Nakaka-collaborate ko sila Tito Gary, sila Mr. Edge, Coach Rambo, and this time, ito yung younger generation, nakaka-overwhelm at mas na-challenge ako na parang to push myself more to grow kung meron pa ba akong maibibigay as an artist. So, good luck. Good luck to me. And I'm grateful for my Acer family. Bigyan ako ng pagkakataon. Of course, we've done a performance before sa Acer Day din. We performed Ace Your Day. Ace Your World. Ace Your World, yun. Pero ito na talaga yung pinapangarap ko na makagawa kami ng malakas na original song together, and it happened. And we were given the chance to perform the song for the first time here dito po sa Acer Day. So maraming salamat, Acer, and sobra akong proud na maging bahagi ng brand that advocates sustainability. Maraming salamat.